Hey there amigos, and welcome to our travel vlog. I can't even talk. The day has finally arrived for us to begin our big adventure. So we've made our travel down to London already. Well, I say London, we're down here in Chessington. We're staying at the Travelodge hotel this evening. We're at Chessington tomorrow. We've already had a 5-hour journey down, and as you can see, the car is packed. We've got all the cases here. We're just going to go and check out the Travelodge here at Chessington. So let's go check it out. So we've arrived into our room at Travelodge Chessington. So how do you find it, Casper? Yeah, so it's quite nice. It does look really, really nice. I mean, as far as Travelodge go, I mean, it's never the ones at the top of our list. But I mean, this is the bathroom.
Correction.
Oh.
I prefer Travelodges to Premier Inn, so I'm just going to put
So Robin first. Travelodge. I prefer Premier Inns. However, they do tend to have better beds in Travelodges, don't they? So yeah, let's have a look around. I mean, I've not been in here, I haven't had a look around everything yet. So I mean, it all looks functional, it looks clean, which is the important thing. It's granted, it's not top tier, but the thing is, it looks clean and it's nice, and it seems quite enough in here as well, and it all looks relatively modern as well, doesn't it?
Yes.
So there's the bed. We're on the 6th floor, so we've got room 610 for anybody that's interested. And you can see there is a so there's a meal deal there, £13.50 if you're interested, and you can get some breakfast because there is a bar here for breakfast, and it's £9.50 plus kids eat free as well, which is quite a nice little thing that we've got there. And there's the usual drinks and snacks as well that you can have ordered as well. So that is that. And the small television, which is reasonable enough. We're only here for the night because we're going to go to Chessington in the morning, and we're going to go Chessington World Adventures, and then we're going to be flying from Gatwick, aren't we? So yeah, we'll have a look through this through the window, see what the view's like, and I'd say it looks quite nice. I don't know if you can see out there, but a bit of reflection. So yeah, we've got quite a good view. So we're on the 6th floor, and you can see across towards London now, which is absolutely lovely. So it's quite a nice view as well. So yeah, so that's our room, which is Chessington Travelodge, and you can see our cars just parked down there as well, so we can keep an eye on it to make sure everything's all safe. It's quite good because where the vehicles are parked, you actually come up 2 floors and you park on the roof, so it should be quite secure up here as well, which is quite nice, because it's one of the things when you come to these places, you're worried about how your car will be. Oh, I'm on Eden's bed. I do apologise, Eden. So as you can see, this is Eden's bed here, and there's Casper's bed. So they're alright, 2 single beds, and that'll be us here into this bed here. So yeah, we're making ourselves at home here, so we're going to have something to eat, and then we'll get ourselves ready for tomorrow. One of the good things I do like is either side of the bed, they've actually got USB charging points on either side, which is quite good, because this is one of the things that when you come to these places, you often don't have enough charging points, and you end up plugging in at the opposite side of the room, kind of where the kettle is, don't you? So it's quite nice that we're going to have something right next to the bed. And yeah, I mean, yeah, it's alright, isn't it? It's alright, it'll do the job.
Well, the free parking was just really good.
Well, yeah, to think that we're so close to London and you get free parking. So that's,
Chessington.
Well, yeah, exactly. Yeah, Chessington. So, so how much was this for the night?
It was £73, including breakfast for the 4 of us.
So £73 including breakfast for the 4 of us and free parking. So I mean, you can't grumble at that. I mean, we'll see. We'll see how we sleep tonight before we give judgment. But that's not bad at all, is it? And I said the reception. Didn't film anywhere in the reception, but it looks really, really nice and really modern. So yes, that's good. So we'll just have to check the rest of it out. Kids are going to get themselves all comfy, and then we'll see how we are in the morning. How we've enjoyed it.